this third unit, we are discussing about that. What is the cloud computing and cloud computing platforms and their services. What is the cloud computing platforms and their services? Okay. So before that, I just want to see here. So these are something like that people like to discuss about that. What is known as a public cloud, what is known as a private cloud, and what is known as a hybrid cloud, all those things. Before that, I just want to know very important point that is we are going to discussing about that. There are two types of computing or whatever you can call them. That is, one is a centralized and another one is a distributed. Okay. So in an examination, we are going to ask you. So what was the differentiation between a centralized and a distributed computing? And what were the advantages and disadvantages of those things? Why it is so? Okay. So you can look here. If this is the, I'm calling as a centralized. Means in centralized computing, what happens? We know that everything physically, all the related components or servers or whatever may be, whatever services is required, everything will be kept in one area. Where we are going to keep everything? We are going to keep everything in one area. Okay? And we can able to operating all the services from this point only. And that too, the answerable fellow is only one single fellow or one single service is going to be provided by. Right? So here what happens? If we are, everything is pointed out in this particular centralized only, then if there is any problem is occurred, is that ఇందులో ఒక రకరకాల సర్వర్లు రకరకాల మెకానిజమ్స్ వాడుతున్నాం అన్ని కూడా ఒకే దగ్గర పెట్టించినప్పుడు వాట్ హ్యాపన్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీథింగ్ గోస్ రాంగ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వీల్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ డేటాబేస్ సర్వర్, వీల్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎ ఫైల్ సర్వర్, లైక్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ సర్వర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, ఆల్ ద సర్వర్స్ విల్ బి kept in a centralized point of. So unfortunately we got problem with the database server. Then what happened? Database server, everything will be kept here only. Then it will going to interrupt the entire mechanism. Entire mechanism going to be collapsed. Nothing will be going to happen. Nothing going to work for you. There will be a lot of errors. And centralized ga okay thing pedite. Indulo ye okatanga failure కానీ, if anything going to be failure at time, any time, that will be going to be impacting entire mechanism. Entire mechanism is going to be impacting. That is what the main problem in the center. And if you want to give your services for them, you have to put this service from the central, only the central. So if we are having a distributed mechanism, so you can see this is one of the distributed mechanisms, this is also one of the distributed mechanism. Okay. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, contain single points of value for the design. Anything, everything will be placed in one area. When distributed, no single point of failure by the design. Why? Because it's nowhere depending on one system. It will be there multiple area, multiple systems, multiple things are there. Then we can able to access the information from some other server. Some we can able to, entire mechanism is distributed. Means not anni oka daggara ledhu. So that information can be available in some other areas. So you can able to go and take and access and can do it. Okay. So ఇక్కడ అధికంగా no single point of failure. ఇక్కడ single point లో లేదు కాబట్టి there is no single point failure లో ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఇక్కడ మాత్రం contains everything in single point కాబట్టి అక్కడ single point failure అవడం there is a possibility. And continuous ఎప్పటికప్పుడు దాన్ని మన డిజైన్ చేంజెస్ చేయాలంటే మనకు which is not going to be happen. But here we can able to do whatever we can. And limited scalability. Limited scalability అంటే ఇప్పుడు if I am accessing for giving 100 members, so I can able flexibly, I can able to operate everything, I can able to give it to scalability is there. Limited scalability. What is that? Limited scalability. Why? Because it is a limited thing. But if I want to increase the number of servers in a centralized point, which is not going to be done. ఒక 100 మంది సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను, 1000 మంది సపోర్ట్ చేస్తాను, అంతే లిమిట్ అయిపోయింది. ఆ లిమిట్ దాటిందంటే మాత్రం యూ హ్యావ్ టు వెయిట్ ఫర్ యువర్ టర్మ్ అంటిల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు వెయిట్. బట్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ దానికి అలా లేదు. ఇది స్కాలబిలిటీ అని మనం అనుకున్నాం కదా, ఇది క్లౌడ్ కంప్యూటింగ్ లో మీకు చెప్పాను. ఇట్స్ క్యాల్కులేట్ అంటే నీకు నెంబర్ పెరిగే కొద్దీ ఏం చేస్తావు అంటే